Hey guys, this is Julia, and today in this video, I have an important announcement about the Windows 10 free upgrade offer, which actually ends on July 29th. And as you can see on here, it says there's 4 days, 17 hours, 47 minutes, and 18 seconds left to upgrade to Windows 10 for free. So I thought I'd make this video showing if you haven't upgraded, how you can upgrade, and why you should upgrade because the offer is ending. So I pulled up Microsoft's page for this, and you can also see on the calendar down here, you can see it's the 25th. The 28th is the last day because on the 29th it completely ends. I don't even think you can upgrade on the 29th. And I even saw someone say, I don't know where I saw this, but I saw someone say, oh, I have Windows 10 on a USB, I can just install from the USB after the upgrade ends. Well, no, you can't do that because when you upgrade, it's not going to activate because they are not activating upgrade installs from 7 and 8.1 anymore in 8 after July 29th. They're not going to be doing the free upgrade even if you have like the media creation tool on a flash drive, because I have one. It's not going to activate. Yeah, you'll get Windows 10, but it'll not be activated, so just letting you guys know if you guys were wondering that. So I'm going to show you how to upgrade this, which I did do a video about this, but I want to do another one. Now, since this computer still has Internet Explorer 8 and Microsoft's website doesn't work on that because I reinstalled Windows 7 on here and IE8 doesn't work with Microsoft, so you just go to whatever browser, Google Chrome, Firefox, it could be IE, as long as it's IE11, I think. And then go to Google, search Windows 10, and then go to this first link that says how to upgrade to Windows 10. And then you're going to be taken back to that same page I was just on with the countdown. And you're going to click upgrade for free. And it's going to download. So while that's downloading and we run the file, I'm going to tell you why you should upgrade. So for one thing, Windows 10, the free upgrade offer ends on July 29th, so you won't be able to upgrade in the future when you want it. Now on this prompt, you just hit yes. Because you will need to be admin to do this. So if you're not admin, contact an admin and tell them about this. So click accept, and then it'll check your compatibility. Now this computer I know is compatible because I had the beta version of Windows 10 on it at one point. The first beta, first couple. So look, yay, it's compatible. So then it's going to get the upgrade ready for us. If we move this over, maybe we can still see the countdown also. So, a reason why you should upgrade, the offer's ending, and in the future, if you want it, you won't be able to get it. Another thing also is if you don't upgrade to Windows 10 before July 29th, it will actually cost like over $100 to upgrade to Windows 10. So I know that's really insane, but it's true. So get it before the 29th of July, because in the future, if you want it, you don't want to have to pay $100 to upgrade. So yeah. Okay, also one other thing I want to mention too is that after you do this upgrade, you hit the upgrade button and it's getting the upgrade ready. Just follow the prompts. When it wants to restart it, so that way it can install the upgrade, because right now it's kind of downloading, and then it'll prepare the install, which will say installing, and then after a while it'll want to reboot, and then let it reboot, because you may download it, but you need to also install it in order to get it. So just if you download it and not install it, you probably won't get the free upgrade if you install it after the upgrade's over. So when you're doing this, be sure to restart and let it install before the upgrade offer ends. So I recommend right after it downloads and does this, just leave this open, and then when it wants to reboot, hit reboot and let it do its thing, because you don't want to miss out, because just downloading it is not going to save it for you. You have to actually install it. So just a little reminder for you guys right there. Another reason why is I've noticed on a lot of Windows 7 computers especially, it's a lot faster, especially the boot up time. Like I noticed on this old Windows 7 computer somebody had, it took like 2 minutes to boot up into Windows 7. When I upgraded to Windows 10, it took like 15 seconds to boot up, and it was just so much faster, and it just ran more smoothly than Windows 7 did. It just ran so much faster. Another thing, it's more secure. Like, it gets more security updates, it gets build updates, and there's a new build, in fact, called the Windows 10 Anniversary Update coming August 2nd. I think it's 14393, I believe, is the build number. So, there's a new build coming. It's going to have a lot of new features that are really cool, and you can do so many things. And another thing that's good about upgrading, and why you should upgrade, is you won't really lose support, because Microsoft is now going to be doing build updates with Windows 10 in the future, just giving you updates, kind of like Mac does, how they give you operating system updates every year. Well, Windows is going to be doing the same thing for free, but you must have Windows 10 in order to get them. So you'll be missing out on future operating systems if you do not upgrade now. So that's one thing. And another thing, I mean, it's free, why not get it? It's a good upgrade. I have it on like all my computers, except this is my older Acer, and I didn't have it on this one yet because I've not really used it. I've had it off for a while, and then a couple weeks ago I destroyed Windows 7 on it, and then I reinstalled 7 again and upgraded because I didn't feel comfortable putting that install Windows 7 on the internet. So I just wanted to do a fresh start and then upgrade. And so, in any way, saying like you don't want to upgrade to Windows 10, but you want to at least get the license. Well, you could upgrade and then reinstall 7 or 8, and in the future, you can reinstall Windows 10 with a flash drive or a CD, and it'll automatically activate, I'm pretty sure. So, at least take the offer, and then you could downgrade again, and then I think you can roll back. And then in the future, you want it again, go, oh, guys, stupid thing stopped recording. I hate that, but basically, you can just download the media creation tool on a flash drive or a disk. Well, download media creation tool, tell it to create either an ISO or a USB. And the USB has to be completely empty with all the stuff because it will wipe it. And after you make the ISO, you can right click it and hit burn to the disk. And then like burn a disk image, and then it'll open the Windows Disk Image Burner, I think it's called. And it will burn the Windows 10 to it. And then you can just upgrade, put it in. You could do a clean install, which is what I recommend, because clean installs work a lot better than upgrades. So saying you upgraded to Windows 10 and your computer got really slow after you upgraded, like you had Windows 7 or 8 and you upgraded and it just got really slow and laggy, well, is what you can do is you can go into settings in Windows 10 and reset it, and then tell it to keep all your files. So then that way it won't delete your files. It will delete like your programs, I think, but I think a lot of your settings will stay intact, I think. Well, some of them might. Actually, maybe not. I just think it keeps your files, but everything else gets deleted. So, I'm not sure if it deletes your apps or not. I know refresh in Windows 8 didn't. So, I think it's the same thing as refresh in 8 when you reset and keep your files in Windows 10. So, guys, if you've not gotten the free upgrade, you're running out of time. You can see the countdown timer on the screen, which now it's going to be even less by the time I get this video up, which I'm going to try to get uploaded today. But Windows 10 is just much faster. It's more secure. I think it works better, and it's free, and you'll get future versions of Windows, because Windows 7 and 8 will lose support eventually. Windows 7's like January 2020. Windows 8.1 I think is like January 2023. I'm not sure if it's January for 8.1. Windows 8 already lost support. You have to upgrade to 8.1 or 10, but I recommend Windows 10 because it works a lot better. So leave in the comments too if you guys are going to upgrade to Windows 10, or if you have upgraded and how it is and what you think of it. And if you see this video, try to tell people about the upgrade. Maybe send people the video so that way they know why it's important to update, because it is important for the security. And if you just do all the updates, I mean, with Microsoft, they're going to keep doing updates as long as your computer supports it. So basically all the future updates will be free as long as you get Windows 10. Then you'll be able to get all the other future updates in the future. And then it'll keep updating until your computer physically cannot support it. So basically of how long the device can be updated. So I'm not sure about my computers or my tablet, how far it will go. But basically, Windows 10's free. I think it's awesome personally. I like it better than 7 and 8. It's like Windows 7 and 8 combined with all these features. It just works better. And if you guys are concerned about privacy in Windows 10, you can go in privacy settings and disable all of the ones you don't want. So that is an option. You can go to privacy and do that. And also, if it's August 2nd or later when you're watching this and you did upgrade to Windows 10, there is a new build called the Windows 10 Anniversary Update, as I said. So I have this computer right here, this other computer I'm working on, so I can show you. You would go to Settings, Update Security, and when you go to Windows Update, you click Check for Updates, and then it'll check and download the build, and keep doing this until when you hit the button to check for updates, that when it says it's up to date, then you'll know you got the new build, and you're all good. Because it's always good to keep the builds updated too, because I know a few people that still run build 10240, and I don't understand it because it's still a security hole. In fact, in that old build, it wasn't that stable, and because it was like the first Windows 10 build. And also, I noticed Startup Repair didn't work in it because I uploaded a video called Windows 10 Startup Repair Fail. So it was like basically Startup Repair failed in that build. It worked in the newer one. Well, kind of, like it wanted to work, but because I destroyed it so much, it couldn't repair. But otherwise, if I didn't destroy it that much, it would have repaired. So if you guys are still running the old build, please update, because when the Windows 10 Anniversary Update comes out, they're going to probably stop supporting the old build. There'll probably be no more updates for it at all, and you'll be completely unsecure. And besides, the newer one's going to be way better. So basically, upgrade, guys. It's pretty easy. You could also upgrade with the Windows 10 icon down here if you've updated your Windows all the way and you have the little upgrade icon down here. But it may have the older build downloaded, so that's why I recommend just going to the website and downloading it, because it'll make sure you have the newest Windows 10. Because I've seen people do upgrades and then it's the older build. So upgrade to the newer ones. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I say upgrade because that's what I'm doing today. I'm upgrading all the computers that I haven't upgraded. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys get your free upgrade. Hopefully you guys update the builds. It's important for security. It works better. I think it's better personally. And you just have to customize it to how you want it. Because you can see the start menu. I kind of customized. I need to customize it more. But basically you just customize it to how you want it. And basically you like it. I mean, yeah, maybe a little getting used to. Once you customize it to your liking, I think it's a great operating system. And there always is that option of resetting it and keeping your files, or just starting over and resetting everything and deleting everything, because they do work better when you do clean install, and at least you can keep your files. So with that option, because it does have an option to do that. So okay, I'm going to stop this video because I'm ranting a lot, but people, if you've really not upgraded, you really should, because it's very important. So it's like security, and yeah, you may say, I'm going to get a new computer with Windows 10. It may work better with a new computer. Well, the old one would actually work better with Windows 10. In fact, this Windows Vista, I'm going to put Windows 7 on and then upgrade 7 to 10, because it's going to run probably a lot faster than Vista did, because Windows 10 seems to run well on older computers as well as newer ones. But on the older ones, it really speeds them up. So, okay guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you upgrade, and bye-bye for now.